Uba Vivek's MSP ke East Castles District habakran sikilat pathai kubor haka janmi jaga arpo nyau tarik naitung arajar penriu halor ke jingja keno syarak bor ki laingot bat syadung bat syamat dagi tiar banem hadu bo wei naki ulayam ulethu bautiu balayap udi balatip kerteng ke Shanbor Rani. Ulang bau Shanbor udi bala syak daw don kti haka kam Pynïap Briew haki por baladap baru bagi pulet kila pengat di uru haki kendon pensitom yaki by Khaïi drugs. Halor kekali ke bala keno bala pendon kamban rabor yi laingot uba Vivek's ulang baka day kekali jong ubala yam bat ke jing toket yang menta kadang ya cakman.
The disease is identified. His name is Shanbor Rani. In fact, he was also involved in many cases earlier on and in offences of murder and under the NDPS Act. So we have registered a case and we will investigate the whole matter. As of now, we cannot say what is this about, whether it's any, what is the motive behind this killing, whether it has to do with whether it has to do with anything to do with the drug trade or whether it's vendetta killing. Once we investigate, and we will be able to get some clue as to why this killing of Shanbor Rani happened. That vehicle which was actually recognized belongs to the deceased himself.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki mar bam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.